Keeping our focus on the US state of California, the abnormal winter weather has impacted many parts of California for the past few months. And the end of winter is not bringing any relief for the state from a historically stormy cold season. The California Sierras are seeing another round of snow. In one of California's most popular winter destinations, Lake Tahoe, snow blankets have submerged many homes, cars and roads with over 8 feet of snow. Several homes and businesses are dealing with structural damage from heavy ice blocks and snow mounds, crushing rooftops.
Say snow.
You definitely see some structures that have fallen apart a little bit. So it's hard to know fully until everything melts off, but there's definitely some structures that have been damaged from this. But everyone's been helping each other out here in town, and we're a good snow town. We try to stick together and help each other when things get rough like this. So.
According to some residents, March is when snow begins to melt and water fills local rivers. As residents try and take a reprieve from shoveling driveways and rooftops, many say there is a silver lining from this weather crisis.
I think we need it in California to have this tremendous amount of water, snows, because we are in a drought. So I totally support, even though this is abnormal, I totally support it, and it's nice to see snow in March.
But overall for California, oh yeah, it's absolutely needed. Hopefully it's going to fill up our rivers and fill up our aqueducts and hopefully get it downstream too.
Although the winter is forecasted to be potentially one for the records in California, according to experts, this year's drastic swing in the California weather has allowed nearly 2/3 of the state out of drought conditions.